Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should be in the game or at the main menu now. First, press Options or Menu to open Settings. This is where narrator audio is controlled. Once in Settings, move to Accessibility or Audio. Depending on your build, the narration toggle lives in one of those tabs. Make sure your controller or keyboard is responsive. If it isn't, reconnect it before changing audio options. Doing this avoids having to restart the game later, so you can confidently toggle narrator without losing progress. Now navigate to the specific narration setting. In Accessibility, scan for narration, voiceover, or speech. In Audio, look for narrator or dialogue options. Once located, highlight the narration entry and press the Confirm button, A, cross, or Enter to open the toggle. You'll see options like On, Off, or Subtitles only. Choose Off to stop continuous narration. This prevents mission prompts from being read aloud and keeps dialogue audio intact. Make sure you confirm the change before leaving the menu. Finish by saving or confirming settings, then exit back to gameplay to verify the narrator is silent. If you still hear narration, once done, restart the game. Temporary audio caches can persist until a reload. Make sure the game is updated because some builds move the toggle between tabs. If toggles are unresponsive, close the game, verify controller mapping, then reopen. As a last resort, reset accessibility to defaults. This restores expected behavior, but will change other customs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.